Hello and welcome to Thoughts of a Science Student. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe, black holes. We will answer the question that's on everyone's mind: what's inside a black hole? Before we dive into the answer, let's talk about what black holes are. Black holes are objects with an extremely strong gravitational pull that arises from a concentration of mass in a very small space. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can collapse under its own weight, forming a black hole. Black holes have a point of no return called the event horizon. Anything that crosses this boundary is pulled towards the singularity at the center of the black hole and is crushed into a single point of infinite density, known as a singularity. As objects approach the event horizon of a black hole, the gravitational forces become stronger, and eventually, they become so strong that not even light can escape. This is why black holes appear black to us, as they don't emit any visible light that we can detect. However, just because we can't see inside a black hole doesn't mean we can't learn about their behavior. Observations of the effects of black holes on surrounding matter have led to some fascinating discoveries. For example, black holes can influence the orbits of nearby stars and galaxies, and they can emit powerful jets of energy from their poles. We know that black holes are extremely dense and have a strong gravitational pull. But beyond the event horizon, our understanding of physics breaks down, and we cannot predict what happens inside a black hole. So, to answer the question, we do not know what is inside a black hole beyond the event horizon. However, studying black holes has led to new discoveries about the behavior of matter and energy in the universe, and the mysteries of black holes continue to fascinate and inspire scientists around the world. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching Thoughts of a Science Student. Don't forget to subscribe for more science content, and we will see you in the next video.